Welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, we're diving deep into the world of online security and privacy. With cyber threats on the rise, it's more important than ever to protect your online activities. While many VPNs claim to offer the best protection, the reality is often different. Some VPNs come with built-in servers and pre-configured settings, but others, like Tunnel VPN, give you the flexibility to customize your settings for enhanced security. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of downloading a slow DNS config file and setting it up on Tunnel VPN to ensure your privacy is top-notch. If you're new here, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Let's get started. First, let's download a slow DNS config file. Open any web browser on your device. In the search bar, type UDP and slow DNS files and press enter. From the search results, click on the official UDP and slow DNS files website. Once you're on the website's homepage, locate the menu icon, usually a hamburger icon at the top left corner. Click it to expand the options and select Slow DNS Config. A small window will open. Click on Tunnel Slow DNS. A countdown timer will start, and once it finishes, the download button will appear. Click on it, and a page with various Tunnel config files will open. Select the latest file and hit the download button. Within seconds, the file will download to your device. Now that you have your slow DNS config file, it's time to set up Tunnel VPN. Open the Google Play Store on your mobile device. In the search bar, type Tunnel VPN and press enter. Once you find the app, tap on it to open its details page. Hit the install button, and the app will begin downloading and installing on your device. Once the app is installed, open it. To configure it, tap the three dots in the top right corner and select the config option. Then click on the import button. This will open a file menu where you can select the slow DNS config file you downloaded earlier. Tap on the file to import the server details, and Tunnel VPN will automatically load the configuration. And that's it. You've successfully imported the slow DNS config file and set it up on Tunnel VPN for enhanced security and privacy. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos on internet security and privacy.